Big news came out the other day from Jim Cramer. Jim Cramer doesn't talk a lot about cryptocurrency, doesn't seem to be the biggest bull on crypto in general, especially on Dogecoin. He doesn't like Dogecoin. But Cramer said that he now owns a lot of the red hot Ethereum that's nearly tripled Bitcoin's 2021 gain. So he said what happened was, the other day on Squawk Box, Jim Cramer came out and said how he has a lot of Ether. He said how originally he bought it to bid on a non-fungible token that was being auctioned in March by Time magazine. So he said he didn't win the auction, he didn't get the NFT by Time magazine, so he just kept his Ether. He kept it, and now it has risen significantly. It's either like probably doubled, a little more than doubled from where he bought it. We don't know exactly what price he bought it at. In March, around the time of that auction, Ethereum's price was between $1,400 and $1,900 per coin. But this is great news because we're seeing, people who are very much in the financial world, who are very strict in terms of what they invest in, like institutions, large investors. They are starting to look at Ethereum as a very strong investment alternative to just investing in stocks. A lot of these people previously wanted nothing to do with Bitcoin, wanted nothing to do with Ethereum or any cryptocurrencies, but now we're seeing that they're starting to pick up a lot more Ethereum. And this is a big deal. Soon we're going to see Ethereum ETFs approved in the US. We already saw 3 Ethereum ETFs approved in Canada. That means more institutions can start getting in. We have Grayscale Ethereum Trust, which also has been doing very well lately and is a way that institutions can get exposure to Ethereum. So either way, what we're seeing right now happen is a shift from investors, institutions, and people with traditionally investing only in stocks. They're now looking at Ethereum as being a real winner in the crypto space. Previously, they had only looked at Bitcoin, but now many people are looking at Ethereum because it has more use cases with smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized finance than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a digital gold. It's a store of value. So, there's a limit on that, but really with Ethereum, there's not a limit on it anymore, like in terms of price, like in terms of where it can go. It's just all about the transactions, about all the use cases that are done on the platform. The more use cases it has, the more money that's settled on the Ethereum blockchain, the more it's going to be worth. So it's different than Bitcoin in terms of, use cases. And I think that's why a lot of people are turning to Ethereum versus Bitcoin. He explained how he sold a lot of Bitcoin a while back just because he had his eye on buying a new house, a new place, and he used he used some of the profits from selling Bitcoin to buy the place. But now he says he's not selling his Ether. He says it's gone up tremendously. He's going to keep it for a while, and he might buy another house with Ethereum down the road. Who knows? But that is pretty exciting to see. More people being very optimistic about Ethereum long term.